Hi, my name's Jamie, and I'm one of the teachers that's going to help you out on your guitar journey. I'd just like to take a moment to highlight some of the beginner's features that are available to you that make this the ultimate guitar learning experience.
Let's start with the beginner lessons right here. The first courses are made for players starting from scratch, and they are very beginner friendly. Whenever you feel ready, you can advance to the next courses where you'll learn everything you need to master both lead and rhythm guitar. The courses combine video tutorials with fun and easy lessons that give you real-time feedback on each note you play. You can learn at your own pace by slowing down the lessons, looping difficult parts, and repeat until you're ready for the next level.
Okay, so now let's take a look at how you can learn your favorite songs.
Most songs in the app are made into easy, medium, and hard versions. So if you're a beginner starting from scratch, you can still learn your favorite songs. All songs are divided into their different parts. And you'll learn each part with step-by-step video instructions followed by interactive game lessons that are slowed down to fit your skill level. In the end, you'll put all the parts together to play the full song. Learning your favorite songs is a great way to also learn the skills and tricks needed to master them.
The next feature I want to show you is the digital amplifier.
It might sound advanced and a bit frightening, but it's really an awesome feature for beginners and pros. This feature will transform your iPhone or iPad into an amplifier. Choose a backing track to jam along with, and the amp will show you how to play scales and licks that work together with the song. Even players starting from scratch can use this to learn how to improvise. You can also use this to explore your sound and add effects to your playing.
Okay, so now let's take a look at the guides right here.
This section of the app is mainly for intermediate to advanced players. Here you can learn to play in the style of some of the most iconic guitarists of all time. You'll get hints and tricks from world-class guitarists, and you can deep dive into specific skills or genres. New masterclasses are released every month.
This app is really loaded with features.
In addition to all the learning content, you also have a tuner, a metronome, a training calendar, Gibson TV, and more.
So if you're serious about learning guitar, or if you just want a fun and relaxing guitar learning experience, then download the Gibson app. It has all the features you'll ever need, and it really is the best learning experience you can get.